Especially if you get a good look at the front of their body. You'll sometimes see barnacles. There's some on the right-hand side of the whale there. You'll sometimes see barnacles around their head, around their blowhole. Those barnacles are actual animals. They're sedentary. They attach to an animal like a whale or sometimes a rock, depending on the species, and they will remain stuck there for a long time. But barnacles are actually not the only parasite that troubles whales. They also have quite a few others they have to deal with that are actually much more destructive, or at least probably more irritating. For example, sea lice are a parasite that these whales have to deal with. In fact, if you look really closely, you may even see a few of them on the whale. They look very much like the kind of lice that affect mammals on land, except they're significantly larger. And the barnacles and the lice, as well as other parasites, leave a lot of scars on the whale's body. In particular, when they fall off. Remember, this whale moves back and forth between two very different climates over the course of the year. And so the water temperature varies very widely. And one of the reasons why the whales do this might be not only to reduce the chances of predation for their young. An animal that moves around a lot is always a lot harder for predators to find and adapt to feeding on. But it might also have a role in reducing their parasite populations on their bodies, because when these guys go to the colder waters that they live in up north, a lot of those parasites actually fall off. And what they leave behind when they fall off are, again, those scars.